Welcome to Jay-Woo Estate Agents Monthly Market Update for July 2024. In June, Australian dwelling values rose by 0.7%, achieving an 8% growth over the 2023-24 financial year, equivalent to a $59,000 increase in median values. This is in contrast to a 2% decline in the previous financial year, due to a 7.2% drop following the May 2022 cash rate hike. The quarterly growth rate has eased since mid-2023's peak of 3.3%, with a 1.8% rise in the June quarter. The national index has consistently increased between 0.5% and 0.8% month-on-month since February. Despite high interest rates, cost of living pressures, and tight credit policies, the market's resilience is attributed to tight supply levels. Most regions are seeing value increases, except for Melbourne and regional Victoria, which experienced slight declines in June. Perth, Adelaide, and Brisbane showed significant gains, with Perth values up nearly 24% over the year. Regional markets are also trending higher, with Western Australia, South Australia, and Queensland leading. Advertised stock levels reflect these trends, with severe shortages in the strongest markets. Perth's advertised homes were 23% lower than last year, and 46% below the 5-year average. Melbourne and Hobart saw increased listings above the 5-year average. High interstate migration rates have driven strong housing demand, with national home sales 88.6% higher than a year ago. Perth saw the largest increase, with home sales 29% above average levels. Rental growth is easing, but remains above average. The National Rental Index recorded a 0.4% rise in June, the lowest since last September, with an annual increase of 8.2%. The slowdown is most noticeable in Sydney, Melbourne, and Brisbane's unit sectors. Brisbane's dwelling values increased by 1.2% in June, maintaining a solid pace. The unit sector shows stronger growth, with values up 10.3% in the first half of the year. Since March 2020, Brisbane home prices have risen by 68%, now matching Canberra as the nation's second most expensive capital. The median home value in Brisbane is $834,000, with houses averaging $930,000 and units at $632,000. The undersupply of housing is the main factor driving values up. Despite more new listings, total advertised supply levels are nearly 17% below the 5-year average. While risks are growing, home values are expected to rise in the near term due to continued supply and demand imbalance. If you like the video, please like, subscribe, and share the video.